Are you looking for a way to build passive income, create generational wealth, or make a career change into something sustainable? If that sounds like you, then stick around. In this video, I'll break down how to buy your first multifamily property, even if you're just starting out. Now, my name is Justin Ferguson, and I've spent over a decade helping investors build wealth through real estate. So let's jump right in. So, what exactly is a multifamily property? A multifamily property is simply a residential property with more than one unit. We often describe it as a number of doors under one roof. For example, a property with 10 apartments has 10 doors. When we talk about commercial multifamily properties, we're referring to properties with at least 5 units, which require a commercial loan for financing. Starting with single family homes might seem like a good idea, but transitioning to multifamily investing often leads to faster growth and better returns because the principles and strategies are quite different. So, there are several reasons why multifamily investing is so popular. One, rapid growth. True wealth is built by maximizing the number of doors you control. Think about it. You could buy one house per year with one tenant covering the mortgage, or you could buy one property with multiple tenants paying down the mortgage while generating income. Two, cash flow. Multifamily properties are designed for cash flow. With multiple tenants contributing, you not only cover your operational costs, but also generate passive income. Three, lower risk. A single family homes can be risky because if the property is vacant, you're responsible for covering all the expenses. With multifamily properties, as long as you control and rent out 70-75% of the units, the property should sustain itself. Four, appreciation. Over time, the value of your property increases. With multifamily, you have multiple ways to drive appreciation, like improving the property, increasing rents, or reducing expenses. Five, leverage. Leverage is one of the biggest advantages in real estate. To buy $2 million worth of stocks, you need $2 million in cash. But to buy a $2 million property, you might only need around $500,000. So with $2 million in cash, you could easily leverage that into $8 million worth of real estate. Six, tax benefits. Owning commercial properties comes with major tax advantages. Depreciation, which accounts for wear and tear, and the mortgage interest deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income. Now, this strengthens your cash position and buying power for future deals. So, how do we find the right property? Finding the right property starts with having the right team. A commercial investment advisor can give you access to deals, market trends, and expert advice. They're like the boots on the ground, talking to buyers and sellers every single day. You can also explore websites like CoStar, Crexi, and LoopNet, which specialize in commercial real estate listings. So once we found the deal, how do we make a competitive offer? And when you're submitting an offer, keep these elements in mind. Price. Base it on solid data and ensure it aligns with your financing. Deposit. A larger earnest money deposit shows you're serious. Study period. Use this time to conduct inspections and review data. Closing period. Aim for a timeline that works for you and the seller. Contingencies. These include physical condition, financing, and appraisal. Reducing or waiving contingencies can make your offer more competitive. Managing your property. Once you've purchased the property, you'll need to decide whether to self-manage or hire a property manager. In my area, property management fees range from 7 to 10% for properties with 40 units or lower. So there you have it. This is your starting guide to buying your first property. Now, this is a journey, but with the right knowledge and strategy, you can achieve financial freedom and build generational wealth. So if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate insights. And if you're ready to take the next step, reach out to me directly. I'd love to help you on your journey, and thanks for watching.